Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. This right here is a big update for XRP holders. So you want to watch this video till the absolute end. Happy Wednesday wherever you are around the world, of course. Looking across the market, a lot of green right now. As far as, the market is concerned, it's looking good. But in a grand scheme of things, of course, we need to be paying attention to, where Bitcoin is, where the dominance is. But that's not what we're here for today. We're here to really discuss some major developments that are coming out for XRP, and we're really going to be talking about what potentially could be next for the price of XRP if these things were to become true. Looking at XRP, it's up 6% in USD comparative, with the price currently sitting at $2.22, up 4% in Bitcoin comparative valuation, approaching $130 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 5.7 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Breaking news here. Two well-placed sources tell me that SEC government and Ripple case is in the process of wrapping up and could be over soon, according to Eleanor Trent. My understanding is that the delay in reaching an agreement is due to Ripple's legal team negotiating more favorable terms regarding the August District Court ruling, which imposed, a $125 million fine on the company and included a permanent injunction preventing the company from selling XRP to the institutional investors. The argument, I'm told, is that the new SEC leadership is wiping the enforcement slate clean from our previously targeted crypto firms because it believes regulatory clarity will resolve the underlying issue. Why should Ripple still be penalized? Accepting the Torres ruling as it stands would mean that Ripple is essentially agreeing to admit to wrongdoing, but now the SEC itself is seemingly unsure whether any wrongdoing occurred. There's no real playbook for this kind of thing, which could explain why this case is taking longer to resolve than the rest. Stay tuned. Big announcement coming from Eleanor. And again, obviously it's just scoop right now, but according to Eleanor, this is a well-placed source. So again, if this comes to an end, and speaking about coming to an end, we've been speaking about some of the other cases. You're actually seeing the new SEC really kind of just getting rid of all these cases. And I totally agree. Regulatory clarity is gonna, bring in so much, criteria requirements. So, these things don't really happen. So, the previous one, there was no really playbook to, go based off of that. You can't really make rules out of thin air for digital assets that are new and emerging. So, again, if this lawsuit comes to an end, I think this is going to be the pivotal moment for XRP to go insane. A lot of people are anticipating that. I believe a lot of big money is eyeing XRP. Reason why I think that is because look at the ETF filings. Why do you think all these entities are actually going and filing for an ETF? Why do you think that? Because they know the demand is there. They know what the demand is there, and once this lawsuit comes to an end, demand will be higher. And of course, I think the step one, regardless of Franklin Templeton or your Grayscale, Bitwise, all these guys filing for ETF, you need to see this case coming to an end. And I think once that is done, this is a clear indication, that we could potentially see an ETF filing being approved in the very near future. And of course, that itself would be a complete amazing thing to be looking out for. So very, very exciting times today. Of course, as far as the market is concerned, dominance has pulled down a little bit, currently sitting at 62%. Nothing to be getting overly excited about, to be honest, for the dominance itself. It's still quite high. If you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin is still within the 0.50 fib zone, even though we have seen a little bit of a bounce, making ourselves back up to this $82,000 mark. But we're far off, of course, from where we really need to be, which of course is the 23.6 fib zone. But anyhow, if you're looking at XRP did react to this market news. We're currently sitting at $2.20. I personally believe, this announcement is quite fresh. As more and more people start hearing about this, you might see the price of XRP start pushing up to the likes of $2.25, especially if Bitcoin were to make its way towards the upside. So, obviously keep an eye out on Bitcoin as well. Obviously, long ways to go for Bitcoin itself in order for us to, get bullish. Was this the bottom? Did we already see the bottom? Again, we don't really know until, we see more confirmations. I still do believe if we're below the 23.6, there still is a chance for us to retest the likes of 73.8 before heading towards the upside. We're going to take it one step at a time. Very nice stuff for XRP so far. The support has played out for us. The price is currently sitting at $2.21. We do have some resistance coming in our way, currently where we are. If this is able to break out, I do personally believe $2.28 to $2.30 could be the next target in the next near hours to come. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? I think the clock is ticking. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.